Hello and welcome to Bell CB this evening. We have a Galaxy DX-979 Pro RFX. This is going to be for Cory in California. Cory asked me to put a frequency counter on there, an RFX 75, do some receiver alignments and adjustments and changes, put a switch up so he can turn on the Roger beep that was in his radio. Oh, and do a clarifier alignment. Check it out. So instead of the clarifier just moving a little bit, now it'll slide all the way down to the even number, even master, and then continue on down. Almost another one. That's a lot. Here's back to center again right here. And then we can go up. 7.5. Alright. Just want to do power. Let's go ahead and check out. That's 30 watts across the bottom. 10, 20, 30 watts. We're right there at 15. Now let me put it on a 10 watt scale. 0 to 10. I'm going to turn the power all the way down. I'm going to set for 5 watts there. Turn the power back on. Take a look at my 100 watt peak reading reader here. Should be reading across the bottom. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check, 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5.
Let me get away from the other radio.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. That's better. Stand back here. 1 2 3 4 5. Check, 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 check.
Okay, now in upper sideband mode. That radio.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check, 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 check. 1 2 3 4.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. Okay, and let's put it on the air. Audio check, 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 check. Guess what I'm talking on today, Flop. I know you're sandbagging. Alright, I was bluffing. Today I'm talking on a Galaxy DX-979 with a 636 microphone. Audio, check, 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 audio.
Audio, check, 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 check. Guess what I'm talking on today, Flop? I know you're sandbagging. Alright, I was bluffing. Today I'm talking on a Galaxy DX-979 with a 636 microphone. Audio, check, audio.